Okay, guys, we are back. We are in the playoffs with the Arizona Cardinals. We were in the wild card game. We beat the San Francisco 49ers by 3. Next, it is the divisional round, and it is against the number 1 seed, the Philadelphia Eagles. This is gonna be a hard game here. Playoff buzz. Let's see what this is. With Arizona Cardinals, blah blah blah. Pascal is talking. Whether the both teams have trouble change direction and reach the normal top. Are you kidding me? Beat the hard opponent. What is this hard opponent? Let's see what it is. Be confident or coach, you are up against the Eagles this week, and they have to play great football. We just have to be confident that we can win. We gotta break their momentum. So, first of all, let's see what Marquise Brown is there. I don't know. What happened to the line? Okay. We don't have a great. We don't have a great. We need to get a better defensive line. Our safeties. I don't know about this guy. I don't know about the defense here. Let's go into the depth chart. So he's in the alright. My tight end is in there. Let's try to go into the divisional round. And let's try to beat the Philadelphia Eagles. We are the number 7 seed going up against the number 1 seed. So this might be a hard game here, and it's in the snow. Wait a minute. Our defense gives up a touch. It is in the snow, so we gotta.
Now a guy who grew up just south of here across the river.
And here we go. A 4-yard gain, not bad, not. I really don't understand why they're not letting me use my starting time.
Now Murray throwing on 2nd down. Completes this to Elijah Higgins.
It's like, come on, let me use my time.
Yeah, good for 21 yards.
I'm getting frustrated with this. We're right here, right? Marquise Brown. What are we doing here? My starting tight end is Marquise Brown, but they won't let me use him. They put him right there. So,
This was a nice example of an offensive coordinator scheming his guy open, just a little underneath route, just trying to free up some space, and it worked awfully well. Got not just space, but plenty of room to run after the catch to pick up really nice yards.
and he can't get it.
Throw on first down there, but it's incomplete.
The coverage keyed in on him since that last completion his way. He earned a little more attention on that route, and that made it a lot tougher to get a clean throw his way.
Now a 2nd and 10. From the midfield stripe, they'll look to throw.
What is going on?
That's just a little bit off, but they didn't try to force it in there.
Game speed, always different, no matter what you do.
Oh, what is going on, man?
Decision making, everything has to be a little bit quicker. Sometimes it can throw you off until you adjust.
Oh, God.
He already came through for them on this drive.
King,
They
man.
were hoping he could do it again.
More.
Murray sets to throw on 4th.
Yeah, I think this is the end of the line. We gotta stop. So, that's good. We got a stop. We need to score.
They'll start on the ground here on first down.
Come on.
22 after a gain of 2.
Only a 2-yard gain, huh? But I want to use Marquise Hollywood.
Snow coming down, I don't expect a lot of big plays to be broken.
Alright. First half is over.
Cardinal football here to start quarter number 2. From the 22, here's 2nd and 8. As they've got it as
Not looking good.
action. Murray now to throw.
There we go, Higby.
And down he goes, but he takes it up to the 40. Throwing on first down is Murray. Caught by Wilson.
Wilson got the ball.
And that will bring up 2nd down.
No huddle. No ball.
Up the middle, here's Taylor.
What is my backside block? Where's the block? Where's the block on the back side?
From the gun on 3rd down, Murray.
He got the first. Did he give it a first? Oh, they did not give us the first down. Yeah, we got the first. We got the first.
No problem there. They get the first by plenty.
I'm having a hard time getting the ball to anybody.
Here's Murray.
Come on, Higgy. Come on, Higgins.
7th play of the drive.
Completion was given up, and that's why you play zone defense, so that you can have people around the ball when it's caught.
Ooh,
And give
okay,
up much
man.
right after the catch.
We need 3 yards.
Running straight ahead, Taylor shoves him aside. Still going. He's going to go out of the
Woo-wee.
this one down just shy of the 20.
Nice run, man.
Arizona first down on a gain of 17.
Yeah,
The divisional round of the playoffs, this is where having the ability to run the football is
all right, here we go.
advantage. The defenses, they're generally going to be tougher the further you go away. So you get some of this stuff, it's going to give you a great chance to move on.
And he takes it down to the 10-yard line.
Let's get the inside run. Let's see if we can get it.
They'll run with Carter. And from the 9
Carter.
to the 5-yard line.
Woo-wee.
So that run gets him about halfway home.
Yes, now second and goal. The end zone beckons. It looms. They can do whatever they want. Full playbook. Run it again.
What? Yeah.
They can go play action and try to put it
2-minute
in.
warning.
Second quarter action, 2 minutes to go.
We are in the. We are in the. And why isn't my other guy in the? What?
The line of scrimmage once again the 5 as they get ready for second and goal.
I really don't understand this game here.
One more time with Carter. They get 3 yards closer, but still work to do. It's third and goal. 2 straight shots on the ground. Now on third, do you go to the air?
What happened? Is Jonathan Taylor hurt? Or what? It's a touchdown. We get in for a touchdown. Ooh, we are just there. So let's see what we can get.
On first and 10, here's Murray.
He can't put his hands up. Oh, boy.
Another example, another incompletion.
Murray's throw caught by Williams. And right past midfield, just a yard or 2 shy of the 40. Now the Cards going to call another timeout, their second, as they stop it with just over a minute to go before halftime. Murray now on first down. This one caught downfield.
Murray with a long ass touchdown. A cover beater. And they only scored 3 points. Let's go. Let's go. Let's beat the Eagles.
They'll start this drive out on the ground. And he's going to get this one across the 30.
That was a,
And now
that was the first down. Okay.
back to Taylor on first down.
Taylor is good.
Before being tackled. Back-to-back good plays.
Why is Carter in there? Taylor is still in there.
They run once more with Taylor.
God, they are not.
3 yards to go on second down, and they've got 3.
Taylor is having a
Jumbo set.
field day out here.
Now a handoff. Taylor with it. And good work there.
And one more.
He's got this all the way down now.
Let's run the same run because they can't defend it.
On the handoff, this is Taylor.
There we go. There we go.
All the way down to the outskirts of the red zone. But now he appears to be in some pain. And the medical staff.
Ooh, oh, I thought it was my guy who was in pain.
A short break. On first and 10, it's Carter.
Michael Carter with another run.
Inside the 15, even after the strong run we just saw, they're able to
Another nice run here.
another run on second down with Carter. Here he'll get it down to the 7. And quickly they get to the line.
Let's run the ball. The same play.
They'll give up the middle to Carter.
Another touchdown by Carter. What is going on? They kick a field goal, so we're actually up in the first. We're up in the 20. We are up by 8, I think.
Now Carter to start the drive.
Oh, you cannot. These Eagles are not ready for the running game of the Arizona Cardinals here.
Carter straight ahead. And that'll be good for 8
Right
yards.
up the middle.
Ball spotted at the 45.
You gotta love this
Second down and 2.
running play. They're trying to crack.
Handoff for Carter.
Is that a first? That better be a first down.
2 yards, good enough for a
We got the first down.
It's our business to analyze what we saw out there, and on that play, I saw defense staying in base, not taking a chance, not blitzing.
Jesus
In a situation
Christ,
where they
man.
absolutely need the football back. That's either a case of overthinking it or not thinking it through.
If you do blitz, you
This
care
is-
about where you're coming from, or you just coming from?
I don't know what's going on with the
Care about where you're coming
running
from,
game and the
obviously,
offensive
but at this
line.
stage, you got to take a few chances as well.
Here's a good
Oh, ooh, ooh. They finally stopped that running play. So, what an awful throw. That was such an awful throw. My God.
Murray and company going for it on 4th.
We got it, but that last throw was awful throw.
Getting 7 there on 4th and 3. They're able to keep the drive alive. 7
We're
yards.
keeping the drive alive, boys. The drive is alive.
Back to the ground with Carter. Down to about the 37.
Okay.
Objective there. I mean, yes, the positive gain, that's nice, but work supply.
Are we in field goal range? That's all I'm worried about. Am I in field goal range?
Second down, but this one is incomplete.
He was open. He was open and he couldn't catch the ball. He caught it. There we go. Left. Here we go. Let's just run the clock out. 2 minutes.
So the Cardinals, they've got the football here as we
We have 2 minutes left.
got a first and 10.
And we are off to the NFC Championship game.
Carter with it.
Oh, nice. Stiff arm. Nice.
But he does reach the 5. And quickly we're going to get an
First and goal. We're up by 8 points.
as they call the
So if we just take a field goal here, game is over.
Going for the knockout punch. They'll try and run. And the Eagles will use the second of their timeouts. Now leaving with just 1 remaining in this 4th quarter play. So the ball position now at the 3. Here's second and goal. Carter. And he will stop it at the 30.
Wait, that's not a touchdown?
Eagles will take their 3rd and final
Come on, Carter.
as they'll head to the sideline and talk over what to do next.
Yep, touchdown. 3 touchdowns for Carter, the backup quarterback. 8 seconds left. We're ready to go.
We got to have 2 hands on the football here as they run on first down.
And that is game.
And that is how this one is going to come to an end.
We are in the
The Cardinals season will
NFC Championship. NFC Championship game over with. We are getting a lot of upgrades here. Murray is up to 80 overall. Let's do this. Families of 82 with motivation on there. He's only in his 5th year. Our crappy left tackle. which I really don't like. Alright, tackle Zach Adams up to 76 overall with 1 motivation. He's still a rookie. Perez Johnson Jr. 80 overall right tackle. He is in his first year, and Rondé Moore, our receiver. I want deep threat on this guy. 3-year normal depth. He doesn't have a. We got everything. I think we got everything. Tactical. I never forget the weather this weekend. So glad I've been able to remember it as a victory for. You entered team at that's not bad. You earned 5 stat points, okay. For some reason, they would not let me. I don't know what it is. I cannot. They won't let me get my first team in there. Franchise setting on you. League setting. Why won't they let me put my tight end in there? I want to play with my tight end. On, off, prop, picks, storyline, draft time, fantasy order, free agency, blah 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 time. Breakout. On, development, critical, on, X factor, 60, blah blah blah. Player, cut, no restriction. So, hot opportunity is right here. We're going on the street. You stole the Eagles momentum, and all players will have temporary tackle, play recovery, and tackle in the next game. Okay, in the next game. I like that. I like that. That is nice. That is nice. So we are going on to the NFC Championship game, where we are. Who are we? We are facing the 11-6 Dallas Cowboys. Wow. The I can't lie, the Cowboys are looking pretty good. 90 overall, Jonathan Taylor. And he's up there at 95. So, power back, receiving back, or let's get that one. And he is still in his 4th year, so that's great. Marquise Hollywood-Brown, another vertical threat for my tight end position, and there we go. King T. Payne. He's up to 85, so he's not bad of a defensive end with no death trade. Xavier Collins, the middle linebacker, 84 overall, so our linebacking core is not bad. He's in his 3rd year. Our middle linebacker, Kayvere White, he's up to 85, he's up to 86 now. He's in his 6th year, so this rookie has been playing great, and he's up there at 79, and he is in his rookie year. Mitchell Wilson, the wide receiver, slot. I need him to be a physical receiver when I send it on a digger. The left outside linebacker, 80 overall, BJ O. I have no idea how to say his name. He has a star, and this is his first year. So let's just go like that. Let's look at the team real quick. Just line up. Our offensive line is not too shabby. I do like my tight end over there. The only more nice thing is we have Jonathan Taylor as a running back. And then our defense could be a little bit better, but you know, that's how it goes. I just want to go see the Cowboys roster real quick. Ooh, they have 99 CD Lamb. They have 99 Michael Parsons. Zach Martin is a 98. Dak Prescott is a 94. Their whole team has all 90s. And when you go to the Cardinals, I have nobody. I have one player that's over a 90, and that's my running back. That is crazy. It looks like I have a hard game coming next video. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to play the divisional round, and we did beat the Eagles in the divisional round. So next video is gonna be the conference championship against the Dallas Cowboys. Whoever wins this game right here goes to the Super Bowl. And maybe we can get a Super Bowl win with this Cardinals team. But yeah, let me plug in my controller real quick. I need to plug the controller in real quick. It's giving me messages that my controller running out of juice. And there we go, we got it in. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for this video. Where do I go? Look at the stats. Kyler Murray only 32 passing touchdowns, 15 rushing touchdowns, over 1,600 yards for that guy. Marquise Hollywood-Brown almost had 1,000 yards by himself. That's great. But like I said, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and put a like on this. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. It would help me a lot, because I'm trying to get to 1,600 subscribers by February 4th. And why that date? That date is my birthday, so if I can reach my goal by my birthday, that'd be great. And yeah, But like I always say, stay safe, be positive, and always go Pack Go. And I'll see you next time. Alright, you guys, you have a great one. Bye bye. Peace. I am out.